Hi everyone, today with me I have these amazing work lights. I found them on Amazon and they can do a little bit of everything and more. They are magnetic on the back so you can attach them to anything you would like that is metal. And watch this, they have a built-in carabiner or clip right there so you can slide that over wherever you want to hang it up as well if it's not magnetic. I really like that it changes angles really easily, and there's two kinds of lights here. So you're going to see this yellow strip that is one light, and you also have the lights here at the top. They are rechargeable. They come with the little silicone hideaway right here, so they keep it nice and hidden, and they're going to provide you with two cables, one for each light, so you never have to choose which cable goes to charge which light. It makes it super easy to charge both at the same time. And to operate, there's only one button, which makes it super simple. Now this light is pretty powerful. When you click it, it lights up here at the front. When you click it again, it's going to be a dimmer light. One more time and you have a flashing light. Now the next two are going to be this strip of light right here. You can see that is pretty bright. You also have this second level, and then it turns off. So 5 settings in total. This thing is truly amazing, and the charge lasts very long. I absolutely love it to light up anything that is dark, whether you're working somewhere or you're like me and you have a storage room that is super scary and dark and you want to make sure you have enough light to see everything that's in there. This is the work light for you. I absolutely adore it and definitely recommend you guys to get the set of 2. I got mine off Amazon and you can too.